Gadgets are undoubtedly becoming more and more impressive over time. We're not complaining about that. Except we are. The rise of tech innovations and ideas can admittedly lead to a rise in price as well. This makes it increasingly difficult to shop for a gift for someone or yourself when you're quite the techie gadget enthusiast, but you're also on a budget. Luckily, that's what we're here for. We navigated the gadget world for cool gadgets you can get for under $50 today, so you won't have to. And don't forget to like and subscribe. 10. Tinyscope Small Microscope. Microscopes can let us explore what we can't see with the naked eye. Whether you want to analyze the body parts of an ant for science class, or observe a pollen, or simply admire a dragonfly wing, you can do exactly that and more with the new Tinyscope Mobile Microscope. Your smartphone can magnify up to 400 times with the Tinyscope Mobile Microscope. This ultra-compact device transforms your phone into a professional microscope. It doesn't need batteries, power cords, or USB cables. You simply have to attach it to your phone's camera lens. The light diffuser takes advantage of your phone's flash to generate bright, even lighting for examining things, and using the entire screen of your phone, the features of the items are presented in high resolution. It's really easy to use thanks to the built-in app. Number 9. The Samsung Galaxy Smart Tag. Are you getting tired of spending a fortune on repurchasing lost stuff? This affordable gadget might just make your life a tad easier. The Samsung Galaxy Smart Tag is a Bluetooth tracker and item finder for keys, wallets, luggage, pets, and a variety of other items. It's tremendously easy to use that even a child can do it. Tag it. If you need to keep track of anything, just attach Galaxy Smart Tag to your most valuable possessions. Find it. If you misplace anything, just open the app and check where it was last seen. It's really super easy to retrace your steps. But do keep in mind that in order to operate the SmartThings app, you'll need an Android 8 or above smartphone with at least 2 GB of RAM. Number 8. Lightsaber Umbrella. If you're a Star Wars fan, you're gonna love this next item. If you're not, then I'm questioning your taste. Just kidding. The Lightsaber Umbrella can protect you from rain, hail, or snow and illuminate your world at the same time. The showstopper here is the Lightsaber LED shaft, which comes with 7 different color options to increase visibility and show off some style. It also has a flashlight at the bottom for added visibility and an ergonomic handle for your ease of use. Who knew umbrellas could be this fun? Number 7. Powercube Extended with Remote Set. In this increasingly modern world of electronic gadgets, convenience truly is the name of the game, and our next item will give you just that. Introducing the Powercube Extended with Remote Set, an innovative extension cord that gives your gadgets juice and so much more. This wall plug is suited for charging a broad range of chargers, appliances, and electronic gadgets, as it features 4 outlets, an extension cable, an on-off button, and a battery-free remote to enable you to manage the device from a distance. Think about it. When you want to sleep after a long day, you don't need to get up from bed to unplug the device. Simply push the button and it'll do the trick. That's quite a convenient touch. Powercubes are a wonderful tool for schools or businesses. They're also fantastic solutions for RVs and compact residences with little room. This tiny power adapter is intended to fit a vast variety of plug sizes so you can effortlessly charge your laptop, TV, and mobile phone cord all at once. And you won't have to worry about blocking outlets with bulky plugs. If you know someone who appreciates clever new tech, this sleek adapter is the excellent treat. Number 6. JoGo, the coffee brewing straw. Coffee lovers are going to jump for joy for this one. Imagine brewing your coffee without the need for fancy brewers or long brewing time. Imagine achieving the perfect caffeine fix in the morning using nothing else but your straw. JoGo is a clever reusable straw with a patent-pending mesh filter that lets you enjoy a strong cup of coffee, loose leaf tea, or refreshing mojito wherever and whenever you choose. Simply place a scoop of your favorite ground coffee or tea of your choice in your JoGo, add hot water, and enjoy. It's the ideal partner for your outdoor, environmentally conscious, and on-the-fly lifestyle. JoGo is meant to combat throwaway culture by eliminating the use of plastic straws, to-go coffee lids, K-cups, and wasteful paper filters. This technology enables you to make and consume coffee in the same cup, reducing waste and simplifying the process. Savor the rich taste of a French press, but with the convenience of an instant coffee. And while you're at it, save the planet. Number 5. RGB Laptop Cooling Pad. In this age when most of us are at home either working or simply cooped up in our rooms, our laptop might need some cooling. But your cooling device doesn't have to be the same old boring one, because we can mix it up with this RGB Laptop Cooling Pad. 6 high-speed quiet turbo fans are included into this cooling pad, delivering an exceptional 360-degree all-around dynamic cooling effect. At the same time, it comes with an ergonomic stand and a 6-level adjustable height configuration to let you choose the most comfortable position for playing games, watching films, or doing some paperwork. It's not just a cooling pad for your laptop, but also a great laptop stand. And have we mentioned RGB yet? This laptop cooler has an LED blazing colored set of lights that come in a variety of RGB colors and 7 different effect settings. The RGB light strip surrounding the laptop cooler delivers a visually beautiful display of colors and effects, improving your gaming experience with just one button. It also includes a phone stand and an additional USB cable as a bonus. This is a fantastic offer. Number 4, the multifunctional LED desk lamp. Tired of too much clutter on your desk? This next device might just be the one you didn't think you'd need. It's an easy way to reduce stuff on your desk. This extremely affordable multifunctional LED desk lamp packs a wireless charger as well as USB ports for your charging needs. No more clunky chargers at your desk, and you can use both charging options at once. The light from its lamp is also suited for your eye care needs as it comes in 5 different modes with 5 brightness levels. On top of that, you don't have to worry about sleeping with the lights on as it comes with a 30 or 60-minute timer option, allowing it to turn off on its own in case you happen to doze off. This is an awesome work desk companion. Number 3, the solar power bank. Solar devices are becoming increasingly popular, and for good reason. Climate change is indeed upon us, and the slightest act we can do to optimize our energy use is very significant. This solar power bank might just be a fit for you. This whopping 20,000 milliamp hour external battery pack with a solar panel can recharge by either sunlight or outlet. It's quite the perfect companion for camping trips, hiking plans, or beach outings. You never need to run out of juice again. It's compatible with all smartphones, tablets, and other USB devices, and it boasts more than 900 plus recharge life cycle. The solar-powered charger has dual USB and powerful LED light, making it easy to charge 2 smartphones simultaneously. This is truly an awesome outdoor essential. Number 2, smartphone screen magnifier. This smartphone screen magnifier is the ideal answer if you want to watch a ton of movies and videos on your smartphone and want to avoid the visual fatigue that comes with looking at any tiny screen for long periods of time. The screen magnifier works like a phone projector screen, virtually doubling the size of your screen so you can watch movies and videos in full HD on your smartphone. The magnifying projector screen is particularly built to suit most smartphones and does not need any kind of battery. The screen magnifier is compact, so you can carry it with you wherever you go. Although it's great for movies and videos, you can also use it for HD gaming. Just grab a Bluetooth keyboard and you're on your way. In terms of added versatility on your entertainment, this is clearly a great find. And we are down to the final and most anticipated item on our list. But before that, make sure to like and subscribe. Number 1, Wi-Fi Smart LED Light Kit. Are you like most of us who have always wanted to decorate our room, but couldn't quite find the time or the energy? This cool, stylish item might just get your creative juices flowing. You don't have to put up with the same old, boring, plain-looking room with this Wi-Fi Smart LED Light Kit. This particular device is a set of beautifully designed hexagonal LED lights that will make your room absolutely mesmerizing. Get tremendous DIY fun as you mix and match up to 10 blocks of this LED light to make various shapes, show gorgeous and amazing effects, and create romantic or joyful atmosphere. It works seamlessly with your voice control buddies like Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, and it has a supporting mobile app that lets you control color and brightness. Never be bored with this decor as it comes with 16 million colors to choose from. And be amazed with its sound activation, which allows for its colors to change along with your room's music. How cool is that? Put the dynamic fun back in your hideout with this amazing find. So there you have it, the 10 coolest gadgets under $50. Let us know your favorite affordable gadgets in the comment section below, and we'll see you on the next video.